Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted videos on Android phone. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile and install an application named Disk Digger Photo Recovery. Open Disk Digger application. On the top you will see there is written basic scan no root, means no root required for basic scanning, and below this there are two options. First is search for lost photos and second is search for lost videos. So tap on search for lost videos and allow the required permissions. Tap on go to settings and turn on allow access to manage all files. Now go back and wait for a few seconds to complete the scanning process for searching deleted videos. Now you can see that this application started to find all videos on your mobile. Now scan completed and this application found 585 recoverable videos. Tap on OK. Now tap on any one of the video you want to get back in your internal storage and tap on a recovery button bottom of your mobile. Now it will ask where you want to save this video. So tap on the second option, save the files to a custom location. It will take you to internal storage of your mobile. Select a folder for saving video and tap on allow button. Now tap on use this folder and wait for a few seconds to complete recovery process to folder. Now a pop-up notification appear on the top. Recovery complete. Disk Digger has finished recovering one file. Now go to the folder where you saved the video and open and watch the video. So in this way you can recover deleted videos on Android mobile. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.